welcome to Rainbow View. So today we are going to see how to make rasamalai. So come on, let's see. First you will need vinegar, and if you don't have vinegar you will need lemon juice, and I'm taking 1 liter of milk and saffron and powdered cardamom. So let's see how to make. So come on, let's start. You will need measuring cups also in case. So the first step is to pour milk inside. Let's pour 1 liter of milk, as I said you. If you think you want more rasamalai, you will need 2 liter of milk. This is full cream milk. Any milk you can add. It is a very nice dish to make in Ramadan time. Since we will eat pudding and all, this is also a very nice thing. So now let's start the stove. Yes. So let it heat for a while. After 5 minutes, let's see. Actually, milk is a homogeneous mixture because we can't see any layers inside it. So this is a homogeneous mixture. So now let's add vinegar. First 1 tablespoon of vinegar I'm adding, then again, and then again, and again. So yeah, now the color is becoming I don't know why the lumps is not coming, so let's put more vinegar. Now it started coming, you can see. So let it be for here for a while, then let's take.
A few moments later.
So now we will put the curd, the thing, inside the muslin cloth. I don't have muslin cloth, so I'm using this. Now I'll show. You can see. Now we will add ice water to make the vinegar smell go off. Ice water again. I think there is too much water, so now we'll keep the water aside and it's really very hot. We are going to do rabdi, so you will need 2 cup milk, 1 and this 2 cup milk you will need. And now we will on the stove, and now you will need 1 cup of sugar. Now let's mix. It looks very nice. So now we are going to add little bit saffron in this and a little milk. So now let's add milk. It's very hard to add it because the spoon. Little saffron is enough. No need to put more. Now let this cool down. Till that we'll do the sugar syrup. Okay. Let's start. Now 5 cup water. You have to add 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you will need 2 cup of sugar or 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Now let's start. Now let the sugar syrup cool down. Mix it well. Sugar syrup is homogeneous mixture. Now let it be aside. Now we are going to open this. Half an hour is over. So let's open. I will show you after I open. So now we got like this. Now we have to do it like this. It is dried very nicely. You have to keep half an hour. While making itself, it will dry. It will take half an hour. So like this. It's very nice to touch itself. You can make small balls if you want, or medium size balls. Like this you can make, but still we didn't finish. We will do it nicely. It is like making rasagulla only. Our paneer is very nice. So now we got it very perfect ones. So now we'll make small balls. So like this you can make round like this. So let's keep it aside and make balls in the same size, then it will be very nice. Yes, see? So I will show you after I finish. So now we will add the paneer inside sugar syrup. If you want, you can make this in medium size also. It is as per your wish, but today I am taking just 1 liter of milk. For that only I have reduced. Yes. So now let us close for 10 minutes and open and see. So now let's off the stove and open and see. Now 10 minutes have been over. It's very hot, but also we'll take it. You can see how big they are. This big is enough for us. I thought it will come a little small, but now it is big. Okay, now let's do the next step. Now it is ready, so like we'll put it in the plate. It's very soft. Soft as an elephant. Today why I'm doing this recipe, because when I was small, in my old school, my friend has bought this rasamalai and that was my first time to eat. Now see, it has come. In reality it looks very nice. The camera is only a little dull. So you have to put some sugar syrup up, so only it won't dry. And now let's do the next step. So now we'll add this. Then we will add the saffron which we have made before to give color. And now let's mix. Color is coming. If you have some cashews and all, you can put. I wish I had a more good phone. Actually, I'm taking it in tab only, but simply I'm telling it phone because it's just jealousy. Now it is a little thick. Now the rasamalai has been perfectly. Now let's make it like this and put it inside the rabdi. It's very hot actually, but it's really very soft. Perfect. I didn't ever think it will come this much nice. Since I am a beginner, I'm putting it very fastly. Actually, it is very hot. I can't bear it. One more. One more. One more. Then one more. So let it be for some time. Add seasoning like nuts, saffron, etc. It will be very tasty. So please try this at your home. I'm fasting, so only I can't taste and show you. My sister has tasted it. She said it's very nice. So you please try this at your home. So thank you for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.